This entrapment is how they used to weigh things the old way, it says. Look at that. There's some old ways there. Lift it right up. That was kind of on the beams in the barn. Everything. Some old weights. Some more old weights. Look at that. You can see it has all the numbers on it. Wait. Alright. And this thing here is a bone grinder. They would mix that with the cornmeal, the corn, where you use the corn grinder and stuff to make a feed for your chickens and everything. And then they used to use some of the old bones and everything and put that in this grinder here and just turn it, put it in there, turn it. That's what you end up with. And they used to put that in with the grind up corn. And that's what they used to feed the chickens and everything. That way that would make the shells really hard. So your egg shells wouldn't break so easy. So they use bone grinder. Grinding up the bones and everything, along with grinding up your corn. That's how you made your feed for your chickens. And the eggs would hold. Alright, just a little education stuff here. Alright, be sure to join me as a friend. Bye-bye now.